How to update Webull account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can update your Webull account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So in any case, if you want to change your personal information, you want to change or modify your profile and update your account overall, what you'll have to do is first open up your Webull. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After doing that, you'll be on your Webull's official first page. Now under there, you will see a menu section on the bottom right. Tap on menu, and after you tap on menu, there you will find a shortcut that says more. Under shortcut, if you don't find settings, you can tap on more to find settings. If you already find setting under your shortcuts, tap on setting. After you do that, you will see different options such as account and security and including general. So we want to head over to account and security, and there you will see your email, your phone number, and your different stuff here. So if you head over to your personal information, you can change your nickname. To update your nickname, you can head over to this page and change it here. So let me just change it to something like this and save it. You can even change your photo. And after that, you can change your email, your phone number. And that is basically how you can update your Webull account altogether. And that's all for today's video, guys. Do not forget to subscribe to App Hacks. And if you're new to our channel, also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.